Pix low quality on SteamVR. So basically how to increase your resolution. So the only thing you could technically do is go ahead into your Steam VR settings. So to do that, make sure you have compatible devices or something that's good enough. I mean, you can still change your settings, but the better your device, the better your resolution is, of course. But in your Steam VR settings, go ahead and right click that, or just your Steam VR. Open it up in the little triple bar over there, and then just go ahead into the settings. Once you open up your Steam VR settings, just go ahead to the video option, and there you'll be able to change your video settings. So you have the render resolution per eye. You could choose auto if you like, but since you want a more manual option, you could go for custom, and then you can just tweak it to whatever suits you the best. You can also take a look at your refresh rates and the other settings, and if you'd like, you can also choose for what specific app. So you can choose the per application video settings, and that way you can choose, maybe you want Beat Saber to have a custom setting. You can go ahead and change the setting for that specific app or game. So you have the field of view, you have the override world scale, but once it's done, just go ahead and close, and it should just automatically save as well. So you can explore this little settings over here. There could be stuff that you could change that suits to your preference. So hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.